Hi, Miss Damasco. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hello ma'am, good day. I am Maribeth Dasan Damasco. I am 27 years old from Tibolis, South Cotabato, and I'm married.
Do you have kids?
Yes ma'am, I have two kids, a 10-year-old boy and a 6-year-old girl.
How many siblings do you have?
We have 10 siblings. I have 7 brothers and 2 sisters, and I am the 8th child.
Okay, can you tell me about your educational background?
I am senior high school graduate.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes ma'am, I am work in Qatar for 1 year and 1 month. And January 2023 to March 2024. And I work to Sir Ali Adil AJ Mahmood doing ironing, cooking, gardening, washing the car, marketing, cleaning the house, and laundry, washing clothes and beddings. And I also take care of a newborn baby and a 1-year-old and 2 months boy. I also experienced work in the Philippines as a housemaid for more than 2 years from January 2016 to January 2018. And I'm doing cooking, laundry, washing clothes and beddings, gardening, washing the car, marketing. I also take care of their 2 child, a 3-year-old girl and a 5-year-old boy.
Okay, why did you not finish your contract in Qatar?
My employer agreed to terminate my contract because they experiencing financially difficulty in that time.
Okay, so how would you describe yourself?
I am a cheerful, joyful, and caring, hardworking, loving mother.
Do you have any tattoo?
No, ma'am.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
Yes, ma'am. I undergo a normal surgery for appendectomy for more than 4 years.
Okay, what year did you undergo surgery?
It's June 1, 2020.
Okay, why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad again, ma'am, to support my financially problem of our family and also to save money for the future of my kids.
Okay, are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Can you give me your idea how you can take care of another children and children with tantrums?
I will go to them and talk to them with a calm voice.
Okay, that would be all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.